The era of conventional personal audio has officially come to an end, and if you think you've seen everything Apple has to offer, you aren't prepared for what is happening right now in the laboratories of Cupertino. For years, we have settled for incremental updates, a slightly better transparency mode here, or a minor battery tweak there. But as we cross into 2026, the whispers from the supply chain have turned into a deafening roar. The AirPods Pro 4 aren't just an upgrade. They're a total reassessment of how a human being interacts with the digital world. Imagine a device so small it disappears into your ear canal, yet so powerful it possesses the processing capabilities of a standalone computer from just 5 years ago. We are talking about a fundamental shift in acoustics, biometrics, and artificial intelligence that will make your current pair of earbuds feel like ancient relics. The leaks coming out of Asia and the patent filings in the United States suggest that Apple is about to drop a product that doesn't just play music, but actually understands your environment and your body better than you do. Stay with me for the next 30 minutes as we peel back the curtain on the most secretive project in Apple's wearable division. Because once you understand what is coming, you will realize that the way we experience sound is about to change forever. At the heart of this revolution is the custom-built silicon that defines the soul of the AirPods Pro 4. While the world was focused on the transition to USB-C, Apple was quietly perfecting the H4 chip, a powerhouse of neural processing designed specifically for spatial awareness. This chip isn't just managing a Bluetooth connection. It is running real-time environmental mapping algorithms that scan the room around you hundreds of times per second. When you walk into a crowded subway or a windy city street, the AirPods Pro 4 don't just blast anti-noise at your eardrums. Instead, they use computational acoustics to isolate the human voice and separate it from the chaotic frequency of the city. You're left in a bubble of pure, high-fidelity sound that feels like you're sitting in a soundproof studio even when the world around you is screaming. This is the ultimate goal of Apple's audio engineering. The total disappearance of the outside world at the touch of a button. But the H4 chip goes further, introducing what insiders are calling neural EQ, a system that adjusts every frequency of your music based on the unique shape of your ear canal and your current hearing health, ensuring that every note is delivered exactly as the artist intended. Design-wise, the AirPods Pro 4 are a masterclass in ergonomics and luxury. The stem, once a controversial hallmark of the brand, has been refined into a sleek, pressure-sensitive control surface that feels more like an extension of your skin than a piece of plastic. Apple has experimented with new materials, moving toward a hypoallergenic composite that provides a locked-in feel without the discomfort of traditional silicone tips. There is even talk of a new venting system that eliminates the plugged ear sensation entirely, allowing for hours of fatigue-free listening. The charging case has also seen a radical transformation, becoming thinner and more durable, featuring an integrated speaker for precision finding that is louder and more accurate than ever before. But the real magic lies in the inductive charging capabilities, which now support ultra-fast wireless transfers, giving you hours of playback time with just a 60-second charge. Apple knows that in a fast-paced world, waiting for your gear to charge is a relic of the past, and they are ensuring that the AirPods Pro 4 are always ready when inspiration strikes. One of the most groundbreaking features being integrated into the 2026 model is advanced health monitoring. We have seen Apple dominate the wrist with the watch, but the ear is actually a much better place to collect biometric data. The AirPods Pro 4 are rumored to include high-precision clinical-grade sensors that can track your heart rate, body temperature, and even respiratory rate with startling accuracy. This turns your earbuds into a silent guardian, monitoring your stress levels during a workout or alerting you if your body temperature spikes unexpectedly. For the fitness community, this is a game changer. Imagine your music automatically picking up the tempo as your heart rate climbs during a sprint. Or a voice assistant whispering coaching cues into your ear based on your real-time physical performance. It is a level of personalization that was previously relegated to science fiction, yet it is arriving on your doorstep this year. Apple is effectively turning a lifestyle accessory into a vital piece of medical technology, and the implications for long-term health tracking are staggering.